If you've ever wondered how it's possible to challenge the relentless force of the ocean, the Akashi Kaikyō Bridge is the answer. This suspended colossus, connecting Japan's main island of Honshu to Awaji Island, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the boldness to confront nature head-on. In the turbulent waters of the Akashi Strait, where fierce currents and unforgiving winds reign, one of the greatest challenges in modern engineering emerged. Imagine a setting where nature rises in fury, threatening to tear apart anything in its path. It was within this unforgiving environment that engineers dared to build a structure that would not only resist the elements, but become a symbol of hope and progress. Yet before steel met sea, there was vision. For decades, the idea of linking these lands by bridge seemed like an impossible dream, whispered by planners and pioneers. But after a tragic ferry accident in 1955, which claimed the lives of over 100 schoolchildren, Japan's resolve turned into action. The dream crystallized into necessity. The magnitude of the challenge was like trying to tame a sea dragon. And yet, the Akashi Kaikyō Bridge, with its jaw-dropping 1,991-meter central span, rose like a steel and cable beast, defying the ocean's chaos and its every whim. The construction of the bridge was a symphony of precision and collaboration. Innovative techniques and cutting-edge materials were deployed to ensure that every cable and pillar worked in perfect harmony. Engineers used advanced modeling and simulation technologies to predict how the bridge would respond to earthquakes, an essential precaution in one of the most seismically active zones on Earth. The bridge's design is a dance with gravity, where cables stretch like invisible threads holding up the structure. This web of wires isn't just decorative. It serves as a suspension system that absorbs and distributes the forces generated by typhoons and seismic tremors, ensuring the bridge remains firm under even the harshest conditions. The Akashi Kaikyō Bridge is not only an engineering feat, it's also a symbol of the resilience of the Japanese people. After the devastating Great Honshu earthquake in 1995, the value of infrastructure capable of resisting nature's wrath took on even greater meaning. This bridge was conceived and built with the unwavering belief that innovation can be a shield against the fury of the earth. Every component, from the high-tension cables to the deeply anchored seabed pylons, tells a story of overcoming limits. It's as if the structure itself learned to dance with nature, turning every shake into a lesson, every gust into a symphony of endurance. And behind this harmony lies a hidden choreography of numbers, formulas, and simulations. Thousands of calculations were made for each segment, modeling how wind shear, temperature changes, and even salt corrosion would affect the materials over time. The bridge is not just steel, it's knowledge made visible, science turned structure. As years passed, the bridge became more than just a marvel of engineering, it became a thread weaving together lives. On either side of its span, communities flourished, markets opened, relationships strengthened. What was once divided by deep waters is now connected by an unshakable arc of steel. Beyond its awe-inspiring presence, the Akashi Kaikyō Bridge has transformed life in the region. By connecting Honshu and Awaji, it facilitated cultural and economic exchange among communities, boosting commerce and innovation. Today, it serves not only as a path for vehicles and trains, but as a symbol of unity and progress that inspires millions. At night, the bridge glows against the darkness, reflected on the waters of the strait like a constellation grounded in steel. Locals and tourists alike marvel at its grandeur, seeing in it a mirror of determination and an unbreakable spirit. The Akashi Kaikyō Bridge remains, to this day, one of the most impressive infrastructures ever built. It is a legacy of engineering, a riddle suspended in time, and a symbol of humanity's ability to overcome the seemingly impossible. Every time you cross this bridge, you step into a story that blends technical precision, courage, and a touch of magic. It is living proof that when humans dare to dream, even the ocean surrenders to the force of innovation. And so the question lingers, what awaits us next on the horizon of engineering? The Akashi Kaikyō Bridge dares you to find out.